Live on the streets of Newcastle, heading towards Shearer's Bot. Pardon me. I'm going to show you the two nephews. There we go. There's the lads. They're walking behind us. How long did you say? I thought you said 38 minutes.
Oh yeah, line up, yeah. About 38 minutes.
Well, what we'll do this time, we'll walk along Clayton Street, so
Yeah.
this is one straight road. Then we'll cut up by the gate, which used to be Mayfair's years ago, just so I'm letting everybody know. Mayfair was a hell of a rock club. You know, the thing is, right, 25 years ago, I videoed every single street in Newcastle, trying to do a map. The only problem was the technology wasn't available. But yes, we got another nice day. Weather is really nice. Go northeast.